Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as blacked out aftermarket wheels, such as third row seating, as well as DVD rear entertainment system, height suspension control, as well as power sliding doors, premium leather heated seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have this black and red stitch finish. You're going to have paneling and extra cup holder on the bottom of the door, speakers on the door there. Of course, you're going to have your power lock, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as child lock, and of course, the rear door opener on the driver's side. Of course, on the driver's side seat, it's going to be power adjustable, heated leather seat. And if we get in here, of course, we have our light control on the left. And moving on to the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition and our media control. And on the right side, we're going to have our cruise control. Of course, with the classic Dodge speedometer, as well as you control your vehicle speed and such other things as well. You're going to have the classic shifter there. Of course, you have your tri-zone climate control as well as econ mode. Of course, this is where you can control your rear climate as well as lock it. And here we have our touchscreen. Like I said, it comes equipped with navigation. It's going to have USB and auxiliary port as well. Once we hit high nav, of course, you have your Bluetooth connectivity, and it is touchscreen as well. Satellite radio also included. You have a little extra storage just right under there, as well as the 12-volt DC ports. A little extra storage there, a cup holder, another extra cup holder there as well. And just behind here, you're gonna have a little drawer, slides out, extra cup holder, and extra storage there as well. Of course, you're gonna have the captain seats again with that red stitching finish there. It's gonna go on that passenger side. Same with the passenger door there as well. And you're gonna have your glove box, a little extra storage, as well as up top here, a little extra miscellaneous storage, excuse me. Of course, we're gonna have sunglass case holder. If you just lift it up a little bit, you can see the rear. Of course, you control your door controls as well, and so much more. You're gonna have these 17-inch blacked out aftermarket wheels. Of course, we're gonna have the paint match mirror cap and door handles, as the rear is just the power door handle there as well. Of course, in the back, you're gonna have your Dodge badge there. Of course, it's gonna go up. It's gonna have that stow and go, so you're gonna have lots of extra deep storage as well. And if you pull these levers down, of course, the seat's gonna go down as well. You have speakers in the back as well. You're just gonna have tons of extra storage. Very spacious rear. Of course, moving on to the rear, we're gonna have these power sliding doors. You're gonna have that same red stitched leather captain seat finish there, except these ones aren't heated. So move inside, you're gonna have storage behind passenger and driver's seat. Of course, we're gonna have the DVD entertainment system here as well. You're gonna have your climate control there as well. As you push here, that's what kind of sets it down. Of course, all these are gonna be extra storage compartments as well. And you're gonna have your stage seating here. You're gonna have the bucket seat, bench, and lots of extra storage on the sides. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as DVD rear entertainment system, stow and go seats, as well as aftermarket blacked out wheels, fog lamps, traction and suspension control as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today here. Make sure you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.